Deploying Windows 2022 Server virtual machine for shared desktop. Let's get started. You must have already Server 2022 template. I'll give the name shared. Data store. Then provisioning. Next. Customize the virtual machine hardware. Generate new system identifier. I really don't need this CD drive. Let me remove that. 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM. That's okay. Next. Finish. So what we usually do once the machine get ready or build is completed, we need to test either the new machine which we have built that is there in Active Directory. Okay, so let me log into the Active Directory. It's a very common check we do all the time, right? To make sure that the new server which we have built that is communicating with the domain controller. Okay, you see, right? So we are good with the building a new virtual machine, server virtual machine for shared desktop. Let's see you next video.